Are you ready to uncover a powerful secret that can transform your health journey? Curious to learn more? Then you're in the right place. Imagine if I told you that a simple clove, when soaked in water and consumed at night, can unlock a host of incredible health benefits. From fighting oxidative stress to strengthening digestive health and promoting sound sleep, the potential benefits of this humble spice are mind-blowing. Stay with us as we dive deep into the research and uncover the truth behind the magic of drinking clove water at night. You won't believe the implications this could have for your well-being. Benefits of clove water. Improves digestion. Studies show that cloves possess potent digestive properties. It inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria, maintains a healthy balance of gut flora, and stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. Incorporating clove water into your nightly routine can be an effective way to support your digestion. Anti-inflammatory properties. The eugenol in clove suppresses the activity of a key enzyme involved in inflammation. By drinking clove water at night, you're effectively arming your body with the tools it needs to combat inflammation more efficiently, leading to less discomfort and a stronger immune response. Antioxidant-rich. The compounds in clove, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, eugenol, and gallic acid, are high-performance antioxidants, especially proficient at mopping up harmful free radicals. At night, when our bodies are at rest, the antioxidants in clove water work harder, repairing our cells, improves liver health. The eugenol in clove water enhances the body's natural detoxification process and prevents lipid peroxidation, a key factor in liver damage. Studies show that clove extract can actually help regenerate damaged liver tissues. Regulates blood sugar. Compounds in clove, such as eugenol and nigericin, increase insulin production, improve insulin sensitivity, and help move sugar from the blood into cells. Consuming clove water at night, when insulin sensitivity is naturally higher, optimizes blood sugar regulation. Improves respiratory health. When you sip on clove water at night, compounds like eugenol and flavonoids soothe the lining of your airways, reduce inflammation, and open up air passages. The flavonoids also help scavenge free radicals that can damage the respiratory system. Improves bone health. Studies reveal that clove extract can enhance bone mineralization, prevent bone loss, stimulate bone formation, and inhibit bone tissue breakdown. Clove water consumption led to improved bone density and increased bone strength in rats. Improves dental health. Rinsing your mouth with clove water before bed can combat oral bacteria, reduce inflammation in the gums, and prevent gum diseases. Clove water can help improve dental health in several ways. Improves cardiovascular health. Clove reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, major contributors to cardiovascular diseases. It also exhibits vasodilatory effects, relaxing and widening blood vessels, improving blood flow, and reducing blood pressure. Improved sleep. Compounds in clove interact with receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, setting the stage for peaceful slumber. The antioxidants in clove also combat oxidative stress and inflammation that can contribute to sleep disturbances. Can kill bacteria. The eugenol found in clove disrupts the bacterial cell membrane, leading to leakage of essential cell components and causing bacterial death. Consuming clove water at night could potentially enhance your body's defenses against bacteria. Weight management. Studies suggest that the active compounds in clove can boost metabolism, act as a natural appetite suppressant, and combat oxidative stress and inflammation linked to weight gain. Clove water may provide an extra boost in weight management, promote skin health. Clove water exhibits remarkable anti-inflammatory effects, reducing redness and swelling associated with various skin conditions. It's also packed with nutrients that support collagen production for firm, youthful-looking skin, protects against cancer. The eugenol in clove prevents the development and progression of cancer cells. Drinking clove water at night also enhances the body's natural detoxification processes during sleep, helping eliminate harmful toxins and carcinogens. Improves erectile dysfunction. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of clove improve blood flow and circulation, essential for a healthy erection. Eugenol also enhances nitric oxide production, crucial for relaxing the smooth muscles in the penile arteries, resulting in firmer and longer-lasting erections. How to prepare and consume. Prepare clove water by simmering for 5 whole cloves in 2 cups of water for 15-20 minutes. Strain the clove water and drink a glass at night at room temperature or warm. Add honey if you want to sweeten it. Do not exceed 2 cups per day. Side effects and who should avoid excessive consumption can lead to effects like blood thinning, allergic reactions, digestive issues, hypersensitivity, and hypoglycemia. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, people with bleeding disorders, pre-surgery, or with gastrointestinal issues should avoid or use caution. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new dietary routines. Ready to try this powerful clove water recipe tonight? Remember, moderation is key. Listen to your body and always consult a health professional. Share your experiences in the comments below. Stay healthy and keep exploring.